Medical injuries that make headlines are high drama, be it the wrong leg was removed or a surgical instrument left inside someone's body. A fall may sound less dramatic, but it's the #1 cause of acquired injury to patients today. That unacceptable risk to patient safety can now be a thing of the past. Lift Care, the creators of true floor-level nursing equipment, bring you the next generation in fall prevention floor-level beds. Designed to virtually eliminate the risk of bed fall injuries and fatalities, the P5 Premium bed lowers to a mere 4 inches, 10 centimeters. It's the world's lowest hospital floor-level bed. Every patient deserves consistent, compassionate care, but busy caregivers can't always be by their bedside. Confined to a typical hospital bed, patients who suffer from issues such as Alzheimer's or dementia symptoms, medication-induced dizziness, emotional and behavioral disorders can present high risk for falls. With the P5 Premium bed set to its lowest level, an accidental exit allows a patient to slide or safely roll out of bed, avoiding a dangerous, life-threatening drop to the floor. Hospital-acquired hip fractures and fall-related head traumas are often preventable incidents. A true floor-level bed can reduce the cost of care and make a world of difference in the safety of a fall risk patient. Further, at floor level, there is no need to use bedside rails, avoiding the well-documented hazards of entrapment. For these types of patients, entrapment in the side rails can prove fatal. Fortunately, with the P5 Premium, this never has to be an issue. But this bed was not just designed with a patient's safety in mind. It's built around the needs of those nursing a patient too. Placing a patient's mattress on the floor may sound like a simple way to solve this problem. Truth is, it's not hygienic, nor is it a dignified practice. Plus, it places considerable strain on the caregiver. With healthcare-related back injuries and employee health costs on the rise, a better solution is needed. Not only does the P5 Premium offer the lowest platform in the industry, it rises beyond waist level with ease, quickly transforming into the optimal position to deliver routine care. And the bed is fully adjustable. With its electronic-powered backlit handset, or using the attendant control keypad, the P5 Premium moves into position with ease. High-low, backrest, knee break, Trendelenburg, and reverse Trendelenburg. An impressive array of standard features and additional accessories also enhance the value and functionality of the bed. From manual and electric CPR, a built-in battery backup system, and under-the-bed light, to an optional IV pole, side rails, and Wi-Fi connectivity, caregivers worldwide find the P5 Premium bed to be exceptionally versatile. We think you will too. The one-of-a-kind patented design of the P5 Premium bed has set new standards in healthcare. Lift Care's dedication to superior product development is evident. More importantly, the fuel that powers this innovation is the never-ending commitment to improving a patient's quality of life. Make the call today to see the difference the P5 Premium bed can make for you.